The McDonald's family here. You know what I'm saying? About to let the fireworks off again. You know what I'm saying? For the kids. Watch
Part
the
2.
page.
Part 2.
It's
Going
part
in the
3.
sky.
Part 2.
Part 2.
It's the third time.
Second.
The third.
Okay.
Alright, the third.
Second.
Third time.
The third time.
On video?
Yes,
Second.
it's the third time.
On YouTube? Second.
Alright, man. This is the third time. Check the page. Y'all watch the page.
Jamie, come on. Alright, so we is doing fireworks that go in the sky.
Man, the first time I take
It's the second, man.
Go ahead. Say.
Comment down below, y'all. What y'all think? First, the second, the third.
Go to the channel.
Give my phone. Y'all want to see him go wrong on the camera? What's up?
I want you to like the fireworks.
All right, come on. What's up? What y'all saying? All right, so we got a better box. We went to the fireworks store and we got the bomb. It's the bomb.
They go in the sky.
It's the bomb.
16 shots.
16 shots. And they go in the air this time. They ain't no duds this time. Last time we had duds. And the time before that, I don't know what he's talking about.
What's up with that?
I don't know what the time was before that. What he talking about? Look at her. She's scared. Huh? What's that?
I dropped something, man.
Oh.
Trying to get your phone on the
All right, y'all ready? Y'all ready, guys?
Come on, you got it. What you going?
Don't do it.
All right, here.
Let that record.
Right here.
I thought I saw the animal.
Check the. There's only one time, babe.
Keep going.
Keep going.
It's on shorts
Don't
or
stop.
something then. I'm telling you, huh? This is not the first time we recorded this stuff.
Oh my God. Okay. Cool. You learned it. All right. Just to do. You never recorded before.
All right. I'll check it.
This is the first time we did fireworks.
This is the first time this year we did fireworks.
This year?
This is the first time this year we did fireworks. No, it's not. We just had duds.
That's the only time. That's the
This the first time.
This the second time. That's the first time.
Go ahead, Duke, man.
So when the other time we
Go ahead.
When the other time we did?
Go ahead.
Damn.
Come on, y'all. Get back, man.
I'm fucking scared, dog. Get over here.
Get over that, Mommy.
Don't go too close to them trees, man. Keep playing. Kanai, move out the way, Kanai. Kanai.
Move out the way. Why you gonna leave me by myself? I'm fucking scared.
This is a fuse, man. Go ahead. Oh, man, she plays me.
Oh, I'm scared. You scared? I'm scared. I'm scared.
You're scared even more.
I'm scared. I can't do it.
Yo, yo.
You like, I don't know how to move my pull up.
So boy be at the gas station and shit. I think he be carjacking. I think dude be carjacking people or something. He be at the gas station all the time. Asking for $1. Oh, he a funky motherfucker. He young. He young, man. He funky. I think he be carjacking people. Something just hit me in my head. That was 16? That sound like 8. Sound like 8 Jones, man. I don't know. Man. I got some more, man. Stay tuned. 4th of July. 4th of July, we be back.
I don't know who's gonna like them other ones, but I'm not. I'm scared.
Oh, yeah. Give it to me.
That was you. Oh, you want the Roman candle?
Yeah.
What other one? No. That one not scary. That one not scary.
Oh, that one was funny.
We about to do Roman candles.
Right into each other.
You was scared?
I know,
You was scared? You was scared, Day?
Yeah, I was so scared.
You was scared? You was
It
scared?
was kinda, cause like,
You was scared?
gunshots, oh my god, and like, fully, you hear fireworks. You
No,
don't know
not
which
that
one
man
is.
just walking by my car.
What's that dude?
What dude?
That dude at the gas station for cherries.
Oh, he scared me. Then he gonna say pop. Like, you play, don't play with me.
Dude on the TV.
Yo, I really was scared though. I was scared. You was scared?
No, I was.
Didn't this light about burning my phone? Alright. Daddy about to
Hold it. Cause you got a pep in the ear.
Can I even move?
What up?
Can I move? Leave me look.
For what?
Look, Dad.
Dad,
Look.
look at that.
Look at that.
Dad, why you got it like that?
Yeah, hold it. Point it to the tree.
Point it to the no.
Swing it. Shake it.
Shake it.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Throw it. I'm scared.
What's that?
That was like 4. Throw that over there.
What if they're doing face this way?
Yeah. That'd be crazy. That joke was crazy.
So we done for the night.
That's it. I quit. I ain't ever shoot fireworks again.
Stay tuned for the
My heart beats so fast. Yes. Then we got 4 more boxes in the house. 4 more boxes. We got more in the house. We got some in the house. We got 4 more boxes.
You're not doing that. Doing on Monday.
All right. That concludes our video. Make sure y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. 1, 2, 3, go. In. Hey, did. She lost a shoe. She lost a shoe. Shake it. Shake it. Shake it. Them hits. Oh, shake them. Hit. Hey. My kids together. They ain't got no shoes on. Hey. What, son? What's
Mom,
up?
I'm not going close because there might be still more.
You were scared? Were you scared?
I'm scared, Mom.
I was scared too. All right, bye. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the game. We out this one.
Mom, if it...
Peace.